How to get Pinterest followers? That is the question that I get very often. So today I'm going to show you not one, but I'm going to show you two ways to get Pinterest followers for free. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can use other people to get followers for you. So basically, you will be getting Pinterest followers passively. And this is one of my Pinterest pages. As you can see, I have 208,000 followers. And you're probably saying right now, well, it's easy for you, you have 200,000 followers. But how did I build those followers? By uploading videos every day on Pinterest. As you can see, my videos got 17.5 million views in past 90 days. And when you scroll here, you'll see this video got 10 million views, 7 million views, 7 million views, 4, 3, 3, and so on and so on. And when you scroll a bit more, 700,000 views, 583,000 views, 247,000 views, 244,000 views, direct link to ClickBank product. Okay, so first you need to make your Pinterest page or Pinterest profile. And you need to optimize that profile. You need to add a timeline image, you need to add a profile image, you need to choose a right name, and you need to add a description. You need to create boards. Now, for this method, creating boards is actually really important. And you need to start adding pins to those boards. And the more pins you add, the higher the chance is that some of your pins will actually go viral and you will start getting more reach, more impressions, and you will start getting more followers. Now, this is a tip for you. Videos usually go viral more easy. So try to upload more videos. So, but how do you actually get followers? So this is the first way. What you need to do, you need to create one of the boards and then click on that board. And then what you need to do, you simply need to click here on this plus. And here you can see you can get a link to this specific board. And you need to share this link on your other social media, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and so on and so on. And try to drive as much traffic as you can. Or what you can do is you can simply start typing here, for example, names or emails of the people that you know. For example, let's just say some John. And here you see invite. You can invite all of these people here to contribute to your board. And you need to do this. You need to basically create a collaborative boards. You need to create 5 or 6 of these boards, and you need to add at least 20 or 30 people as a collaborators in your board. In that way, other people will actually start creating pins, will start creating content for your own board, and some of those pins will actually go viral, and you will start getting more impressions, and you will start getting more followers. Now, second way to get followers on Pinterest is to actually join to one of these collaborative boards. But how do you actually find those collaborative boards? How do you find those group boards? Well, actually, there are 3 ways to do that. Now, first way is to use sort pin. As you can see, I'm using sort pin. So what you can do is you can simply click here on sort pin, and then you can go here on boards, and then here you can find group boards. Here you can see collaborative. Now, problem with sort pin is their database of group boards or collaborative boards is not that big, so you probably won't find that many collaborative boards in your niche. Now, second way to find collaborative boards is to actually go back here on Pinterest and then click here and then click here on home feed, and then simply here start searching something related to your own niche. Now, this page is related to dogs. So for example, dogs, okay? And then press enter and then click here, okay? And then click here on boards because we only wish to see boards. Click here on confirm. And like I said, we only wish to see boards. So what you need to do, you simply need to go from one board to another. You need to check each of these boards to see which of these boards is actually collaborative boards. Now here you can see this is actually a not collaborative board, so I don't need this board. And I will open this one here to see is this actually. Now here you can see this is a collaborative board. Here you can see there is currently 393 people who are collaborating to this board here. But here you can see 28, almost 29 followers this board have, because all of these 400 people is contributing to this board. They are all creating content for this board, and some of these pins are going viral, and that is why this board is getting followers. Now, like I said, this is a group board, so let me just go back here and I will open this. Okay, so you can see the difference. Here you can see there is only one image of the person who created this board. But here you can see there are more images because there are more people who are contributing to this board. But how do you actually get invited to this board? So what you need to do, you need to click here, and then usually this person here that is first on the list is the person who created this board. Here you can see all the people who are actually contributing to this board. So what you need to do, you simply need to open this person's page here. Here you can see 226,000 followers because they have multiple collaborative boards. That is why this person here has so many followers. So what you need to do, you need to contact this person here and ask them to add you to the specific collaborative board. Now, usually they have an email in the description where you can contact them. Or you can simply or on that board, when you click here on save, you can find that board. And usually in the description of that board, they have an instruction how to actually be added, how to get added as a collaborator in this board. So you need to check out that board. Also, you can often contact them on their other social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and so on, and even on their website. Now, this is the second way. Now, third way and best way to find collaborative boards is to use PinGroupie. Now, problem with PinGroupie is this is actually a paid tool. You will have to pay $10 per month to actually use this tool, but it is really, really good because they have a large database of group boards or collaborative boards. Here you can see some of those boards. Here you can see how many followers they have, how many monthly views or impressions each of these boards have. Here you can see people, and here you can see most popular accounts by the growth. Like I said, this is actually a really, really good tool that you can use to find group boards, to find collaborative boards. And when you pay that $10 per month, then you will be able to search these group boards. Simply click here on group boards, and then here you can type your main keyword and search and then PinGroupie will give you a list of the group boards, collaborative boards in your own niche. And then you can simply visit that board. For example, let's just say this one here. And here you can see more information. And then here you can see visit on Pinterest. And you can visit this, and you can ask this person here, Brian Gaines, in this case, to add you as a collaborative on this group board. And in that way, you will be using followers from this person here to get more impressions on your own Pinterest profile, on your own Pinterest page, and also to drive traffic to your own blog or website, because here you can see this board has almost 3.2 million followers. Now imagine how many impressions your pin will get if you actually make a pin in this board here. And you will use that to also grow followers on your own Pinterest page. Now, this is another tip for you. What you need to do, you need to go on Instagram, to go on Twitter, TikTok, or wherever, and you need to find viral videos. Like I said, videos are going viral more easily, and that is why you need to find most viral videos, and you need to upload those videos on these collaborative boards, on all of these collaborative boards. And like I said, at least one of those videos will go viral every week, and you will start getting tens of thousands of impressions every week, every month, and you will start getting hundreds of followers every week totally free. Now, it takes some time, it takes some work to find these collaborative boards, and also to contact all of these people. But once you do that, once you start getting approved, start getting added in all of these collaborative boards, you will start getting more impressions, you will start getting more followers totally free. Like I said, you will use these people, these other people, to grow your Pinterest followers totally free. And you can use that for Pinterest affiliate marketing, for email marketing, for CPA marketing, or whatever you want. So this is how you get Pinterest followers totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.